So this is about the most. Oh, sorry. This is about the most special A12 I've seen. It's like matte white. Matte white. It's not ad personam. It's what is it? It's a 1-to-1. It's called. Anyway, it's really striking that it's white and matte white. And next to it we have a gorgeous black 918 Spyder, which looks striking in black. It's really good. And I'm so sick of matte black, so this was really nice. But this 812 looked stunning. And what I've learned now, this is a Schalk GT2 RS. It's not the one here a few days ago with red accents. And I mean, it just looks so good in this color. I didn't think it would look so good in the night. Well, I mean, the GT2 RS is just stunning with these carbon details. Just a completely different design than the 918 Spyder. But I would go for another color than Schalk. I would definitely go for like aqua blue or something like that. And a black GT 918, that looked nice. Striking. And this 812 looked mean. Super mean. See carbon details here. I don't know what a quadruple C sets are about, but see the rear window. It looks like F12 TDF style. And oh yeah, I mean, you basically need to have both the 918 and GT2 RS because they're so different in design. But GT2 like 918 for like always traction and electric, and GT2 RS for just pure classic 911 hardcore. Yes, it looked really good in the night in Schalk, I can confess. Cullinan is like, I mean, I rather prefer Bentayga next to Cullinan actually. But these two suckers look nice together. What a collection this would be. So that's about it. No 65s as far as the eye can see. So they're not worth. This is just a matte white V8. Here we maybe have a 911, but a GT3. Nothing special. So that was it for this little status update. Thanks for looking.